In this video, we will show you how to create a user, how to give permission to that user. Okay, so let's log in into a user first. Okay, so how to manage a user? The very first step is how to change your password. Okay, so to set the password, you can go to your profile icon. Okay, and in profile, okay, yes, in profile option, you have an option of change password here, right? So you can click on the change password and enter the current user password, new user password, and uh, confirm the password, something like this. Okay, done. The same thing we could have achieved with admin, user management, and change password. So there are two interfaces from where we can change our password, right? Thank you very much for watching this video.